So today we're gonna swap out my friend's coupe filter. Cabin filter, not coupe. Because he's saying it smells really bad in the car. What scale from 1 to 10? How bad it smells?
It doesn't.
Like 7.
It's not, yeah.
7? That's pretty bad.
It's like really damp air.
Yeah.
Okay. And I have no clue how to do it. He knows how, so wish us luck. First is to remove the panel under the steering wheel, and also that at the side, and the small one in the middle behind the radio. And after that you're gonna lose those to get the gas pedal removed.
It's 10 millimeter.
Yeah. So behind here you have one screw. You can actually hand screw it. It could be more, it looks like it should be 2, but in our case there was only 1. And after you have removed the screw, you can remove the cover plate and just drag out the filter. Here's the old one. It's disgusting and also wet. So here's the new one.
When installing the new filter, make sure the arrow is pointing in towards the cabin.
So it's gonna be, you see the pile? This way. What
Arrow?
Arrow. So when you see the arrow this way, you're gonna put filter this way, like that. So as you could see, I struggled for a couple of minutes because it's very difficult to put back the filter. I also unplugged the gas pedal because you have no room at all when you're putting back the filter, but after a while it went in. So just be patient when you do it. Does it smell bad or good?
It smells good.
Nice. It was a pain in the ass to change the filter in this car. I prefer when they are on that side. So yeah, it was a pain. So be patient when you change this. So I couldn't get any video on when I screwed back the gas pedal because there are no room and it's very hard to find an angle with no light and it's just dark. But you're putting back everything the same way as you removed it. So the new filter is in. It was very difficult to film it. I tried my best. And if you're gonna do this install by yourself, don't expect it to take like 5 to 10 minutes. It's gonna take 45 minutes at least. It's very difficult. It's a lot of pain. It's no room at all. So be patient if you're gonna do this. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video, and see you next time.
Girls with their nails done.